Ano, hindi mo makita. Ang i-search niyo lang yung mismong Babe 1568. Ayan mismo. Babe 1568. Excuse me.
Hi, Wing. What's your height? 5'6", guys. Sige! 5'6" na lang kasi mukhang hindi na humble pag 5'11".
Who holds my heart? I can't blame you if you turn away from me like I've done you. I can only prove
Talaga ba? Ganun ba yun?
with time. Please be mine. Please be mine. I know that you will.
Ayoko na. Hi, Toxie! Hi, Chris! Looking for top 1, guys. Oy, na ng hair ko.
I'd rather have the one who holds my heart.
Hindi ka pa nag-aartista, Sandy. Hindi pa eh. Busy pa kasi ako. Feeling.
My heart.
Haba ng kamay. Haba din ng hair. Happy, hello. Happy me.
Salamat sa lending. Maaari ko na makuha ang
Oy. Mag-e-end na ako, guys. Kung walang magkikiss me. Kentoy, hello, Kentoy.
For all the truth that you see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you
Josh Mojica, hello.
for every dream you
Dumidilim na pala, guys.
for all the love I found in you. I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who
Or my voice when I could nawala na yung araw. Ako na lang, exposure na lang.
Hi, Eminem.
If this world was mine, I'd take it and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Get them strictly with that vibe. It's a vibe. They a dance, let them watch. He a band, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya. Nah.
Hi, thank you sa share, Eminem. Sino si Eminem? Thank you. Ngayon ko lang to nakita si Eminem. Hi. Thanks. Sino to? Kilala ko ba to si Eminem? Hindi. Hi, how are you? Hi, Cal L. Hi, guys. Pa-share ako ng live, please. And stay. Just stay. Okay? Hi, Lavin. Lavin? Tama ba? Pabot natin 2M viewers, guys. Weaver, mag-itap-tap mo na yung Weaver. ID number, hi. What's that? Kasi anong tawag dito? Sino to? Si Kai. Hi, Kai. Stayan nyo naman ako. Anong kwento nyo? May kwento ba kayo, guys? May kwento ba kayo dyan? Kwento naman kayo sa akin. Anong nangyari sa life niyo? Baka may gusto ko i-share na hindi niyo. Hi, Kali. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Jack. Hi, guys. Shoutout sa mga, dumadaan. Dumadaan dyan, guys. Ayos ba kayo dyan? YXK, hello. You look so pretty. No, I'm not. Coconut. You know, I'm not. Thank you, Kai. Thanks sa mga nag-heart-heart. Stay kayo. Kamusta ka naman? Kai, kilala ba kita? Pakilala kayo. Sa mga hindi ko kilala dyan, magpakilala kayo, guys. Mambay na din kayo. Sige na. Sabik na ako sa mga tumatambay dito. Sorry, what? Who are you? Do I know you? Ganon. Hi, buddies. Hello. Tokyo, Toya. Hello. Kala ko Toyo. Hi, Mazda. Yan. Okay, road to 2M viewers, guys. Joke lang, 200 viewers lang. Assuming lang ako. I'm fine, and you? How are me? I'm fine. What's with question mark? I'm fine. Hi, Kala. Stala. Anong kanta yun kay Justin Bieber? Siya ko sa harang ko. Where are you from? If you don't, I'm from Laguna. What I mean,